Hey, Facebook and YouTube subscribers, how are y'all doing today? This is my second review. I'm trying to get some of these in. This is my review for Mortal Engines. I went and saw this the same day I went and saw Spider-Man Into the Spider-Verse. And this is a Peter Jackson. He doesn't direct it. I kind of wish he would have. But it was produced by Peter Jackson. But was directed by Christian Rivers. I'm trying to figure out what he has directed. He's only directed... This is his first film to direct. Okay, that's all. Not always a good thing. But he's worked with Peter Jackson on a lot of projects, including King Kong. So, I mean, he does have some experience. It stars... I'm looking up this up as I do the review. I can't remember names offhand, so... The only really well-known name in this film was Hugo Weaving. If you remember Hugo Weaving, he played the Elf King. I forgot the guy's name, Elf King's name on the Lord of the Ring films, and I believe the Hobbit films. He was also V on V is for Vendetta. It also stars Hera Helmer as Hester Shaw, the main character. She's well known for being in the Da Vinci's Demons series, and I remember her character. I've seen a few episodes of Da Vinci's Demons. It's a pretty decent show about Leonardo da Vinci that was produced by Starz Channel. She's also been in The Romanovs, the new Amazon Prime film. But it's pretty much about a world that's pretty much after our world. It's the Earth, but it takes place after like World War III. All the cities are either in the sky or they're on moving the cities move. They're on like big wheels. And Hugo Weaving is like the head of the big city of London, and they're trying to take over the Earth pretty much. It was an original film. It's based on the book series by I'm kind of having to look this up because I saw the previews. I saw that it was produced by Peter Jackson. That's why I went to see it. But it's based on the Philip Reeve book series. I believe there was 4 books, the Mortal Engines series. It's an original storyline about these cities that are like in the air, the sky, on the water, and the main city is London, and it's like a moving city pretty much. And Hugo Weaving plays the head guy of the city, and he's hell-bent on world domination. It has a wonderful, like I said, it has a lot of newcomers. Hugo Weaving was like the only name I recognized. Most everybody was new cast members. It was an interesting film. It was kind of scientific, kind of in between sci-fi and steampunk. But it drug on some areas. I did like it because it was original and because of the film sequences were really nicely shot. But storyline-wise, it wasn't the greatest film. But like I said, I did like it because it was an original storyline. We don't get enough of that in Hollywood today. And this did have that going for it. I wish they would have done more with the script, more with the sequences. It didn't seem to make sense in some areas. I would definitely check out Mortal Engines when it comes to Redbox. I don't know if I would recommend spending $7 to $10 to go see it, because it really wasn't that great. I mean, other than a few sequences, it really wasn't that great of a film. I give it 2.5 stars. I would check it out on Redbox, but I wouldn't recommend buying it or seeing it at the theater. It could have been better. I wish Peter Jackson probably would have had more say, because I've always liked Peter Jackson, but he kind of dropped the ball on this one, and Mortal Engines would have been a great concept, but it failed to deliver. Check out that's my review for Mortal Engines, and I would definitely wait till it comes to Redbox or free streaming on cable.